Appreciate you, man. What's good, YouTube? It's Lord Shift, and we're back at it again with another banger video. And as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be giving you guys a little POV drive in New York City. So make sure y'all smash that like button and subscribe if you're new. Also comment. And I got my brother with me behind me in a Scat Pack Challenger. Y'all probably won't be able to see him, but stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm going to turn y'all up in New York. Right now we in the underwater tunnel, as you can see. But I'm gonna let y'all hear how my car sounds in the tunnel real quick, cause she's screaming. We in track mode, by the way, too. Nah, she sound crazy, I ain't gonna lie. I think I might go catless. If I go catless, this joint gonna be screaming. But yeah, this a completely stock 5.7 RT Dodge Charger. Who was screaming in the tunnel, bro? What the fuck? And yeah, my brother got the Scatty behind me, Scat Chally. Y'all gonna see his car in a second once we get out of this place. I do need a GPS because I don't know my way around here. We got a certain place we gotta go, so I just decided to pick the camera up and show you guys a little POV drive real quick while I'm out here in New York City, Times Square. Turn y'all up real quick. There's so much traffic out here, bro. I'm in first gear right now on track mode. Nah. She sound crazy. I should have brought my GoPro. It probably would have been better footage if I did that. But this camera I'm using right now got 4K, so it's cool. Y'all see the little stars on our roof? Hopefully it ain't too boring for y'all right now. I promise y'all the video is gonna get better once we get in the city. It's just hella traffic, so I can't really do nothing about it. But I'm trying to make some noise for y'all. Trying to tell my brother to go around me. Go in front of me, bro. Potholes is crazy out here. This ain't gonna be too long of a video. I'm gonna just try to get the best parts to y'all. This little video I'm gonna give y'all. It's probably gonna be like 10 to 15 minutes long. But yeah. We in the city now, as you guys can tell. New York City. Track mode in New York City, man. Wide body Hellcat. Oh my god, bro. I wish I got that. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was a wide body cat. Oh. Nah, bro, this video about to be lit. Damn, I think I got that. I don't know, it's a white wide body cat, bro. Appreciate you, man. Say what's up to the channel.
I'm getting high every day.
Yes, sir. You getting high every day, bro?
Oh my God. Everybody is God.
Oh, you rat? Yeah. Yeah. Talking shit, bro. Yeah. Alright, man. I ain't gonna lie, that was funny as hell. But we in New York. Track mode. Track mode. I hear another. Oh nah, that's a Hellcat behind me. Oh nah. Nah, I need 50K views, man. Turn this video up. Why is everybody beeping, bro? New York City. Nah, you hear that? What the fuck? Did you hear that? It's the white wide body cat. He came up quick. We should follow him, I ain't gonna lie. Make this video more interesting. Let me rev real quick. Nah, bro. That shit sound crazy. That shit sound crazy, bro. I don't know what he trying to do. Got people recording. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. New York City. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tearing the streets up. Damn! Oh nah. What the hell? I ain't gonna lie, it's a lot of robots out here. I feel like half of these New Yorkers be robots. Like, they don't even be real for real. Like, I don't know. Appreciate you. I'm gonna rev it for you. Hold on. Yes, sir. POV Drive in New York City, man. It's cold as hell out here. I don't even got a bubble. I want y'all to see this cat. Oh, pothole, crazy. He loving it. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Is that a cop? Hope not. We ain't doing nothing. Thought I saw a cop. Yeah, we got people recording and shit. Yes, sir. Imagine if we had like 5 more people with us. Scats. Cats. This video would be crazy. I'm shaking right now, my fault, y'all. It's cold as hell. I'm in track mode. Sorry if this video getting a little boring, y'all. It's just hella traffic, so I can't really do nothing about it. lot of potholes, man. Can't really drive how I want to. It's a lot of traffic, a lot of potholes. That Beamer almost rear-ended the hell out of me. All right, y'all, we back. I know y'all probably wondering what happened to the daylight, but I had to grab some food and handle some other things up here in New York City. But we back and we gonna drive through the main area, Times Square. So let's get it, y'all. Hopefully y'all don't hear too much of the wind noise. I don't want to drive too crazy because of the potholes and stuff. If y'all haven't realized, it's a lot of potholes up here in New York City, so I don't want to mess my car up speeding and then I hit a crazy ass pothole. We driving through the main part right now, y'all, so stay tuned to the end. Sounded crazy, bro. This is gonna sound like a track. I'm gonna have the windows down too. Look at Batman. Look at Batman. Sound crazy, bro. New York City once again for y'all. I should have waited, bro. Damn, I should have busted left. I'm gonna go back around. Bro, what are you doing, cuz? I just sped past the cop. I just sped past the cop. They wasn't in the cars though. As y'all see, we're moving through the city. I had to cut the video a few times because situations like this, when we'll be stuck at lights, traffic is crazy. NYPD to my right. Y'all see we in the main area, man. Can I bust a right here? I should be able to. Bust a right. We're in the main part right now. There's a lot of shit going on, a lot of people. Watch out. Okay, alright, bro. Alright, go ahead. A lot of cop sirens, bro. What's going on? This dumbass Lexus, bro. I had to blow my shit. Bro almost hit me. don't do that. I'm gonna give y'all like a couple more minutes. As y'all see, we got the NYPD in front of me. Amtrak police, actually. Never mind. I'm tripping. I just saw police on the side, on the right side of the car. At least y'all get to hear like what my car sounds like and stuff in the city. Like, I ain't gonna lie, it sounded real good right now. I think I'm gonna make another video up here one day. I'm gonna come back up here and make another video for y'all. I ain't gonna make this video too long. So I think I'm gonna end it on that note, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, especially if you're new. I'm gonna drop some more content for y'all in the future, man. But this is just a little POV drive in New York City. I got the white wide body Hellcat in the video. Y'all got to hear what my car sounds like in the city. Y'all get to see the city and stuff like that. So I felt like it was a decent video. I'm gonna give y'all one more pull real quick. The last pull of the video. Alright, one more pull for y'all. Sound crazy, bro. But yeah, man, on that note, it's Lord Shift. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And we out. See y'all next video. Peace.